So now we are having the fourth question. It is similar to the third question, but only difference is we are having a 3 by 3 matrix now, and we have to show that 3a, the whole determinant, it's equal to 27 times determinant of a. So let's first do the left hand side. We have to find out 3a first and then take the determinant, right? So we have to multiply 3 with every element in a. So do the multiplication. It would be like this: 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 and 12, right? This is the 3a which we found out. Now let's do the determinant of 3a. So for that one you have to take the determinant of this, right? So first element, write it down. With this, what you have to do means which elements are not there in the first row and first column, you have to take the determinant of those. So these elements are not there in the first row and first column. So primary diagonal, multiply 3 times 12 minus the other diagonal 6 times 0. Now second element should be minus, and which elements they are not there in the first row and second column, check those. It would be these ones, right? These. So take the determinant of that. 0 and 12 minus 6 times 0. Now we have to do the third element. It's there in the first row and last column. So which elements they are not there in the first row and last column, you have to take the determinant of those. So 0 times 0 minus 3 times 0. So do the multiplication. 3 36 minus 0 minus 0 0 0, everything is 0, so it would be 0, and plus 3. Inside if you check, everything is 0. So actually if you check this part, right, it will become 0. So it would be 3 into 36. Here also it's 0, right? No need to count those. So finally you'll get the determinant as 108 for the left hand side. So let's check what's the right hand side. So now let's find out the right hand side. We already found out the left hand side as 108. Now first we have to find out the determinant of a, then multiply it with 27, right? So determinant of a we have to find out. So now write the first element 1. Now it's there in the first row and first column. So which elements they are not there in that row and that column, you have to take the determinant of those, right? So it will be 1 times 4 minus 0 times 2, and second element should be negative minus 0 here, right? So which element it's not there in the second column and first row, it's 0 and 4 minus 0 and 2. Now plus last element is 1 times which element it's not there in the first row and third column, you have to check. It's 0 0, right? This one minus 1 times 0. Now you have to do the multiplication. 1, this would be 4, this is 4, and this is 0, and this is 0, and this is also 0, this is 0, and this is also 0. So it would be 1 into 4. 4 minus 0 is 0, right? Minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, plus 1 into 0 minus 0 would be 0, right? Now 4 times 1 would be 4, everything is 0. So finally you will be getting 4 as the answer. Now we have to find out 27 times determinant a. Determinant a is 4. Now with this we have to multiply 4 to get 27 determinant of a, right? So do the multiplication. 27 times 4 would be 108. So this is the right hand side answer which you are getting. So if you check the right hand side and the left hand side, you are getting the same answer. Thus we have proved that 3a whole determinant is equal to 27 times determinant of a.